If it was easy to make money as an affiliate marketer or media buyer online, everyone would be doing it. They are not rich, and I'm going to show you why.
Sounds suspicious. He must want my email address and all of my monies.
And don't worry, I'm not going to ask you for an email address or any money at all. My name is Joey Babineau, founder of PowerhouseAffiliate.com, and if you're an affiliate or media buyer, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you something super cool. It's going to be an actual profitable campaign online that is running right now, 100% white hat, and can be ran on any ad platform. So why would I do this? Well, there's a big problem online right now, and everyone coming to YouTube every single day is looking for the answers, and pretty much every video out there that explains this is showing some flimsy traffic method that is going to either take you years to see results or it's going to get your ad accounts banned. In fact, most people who try affiliate marketing or media buying will fail. That is a fact. So I promise, if you watch this video to the very end, you're going to see every single thing you need to know. You're going to see an actual profitable campaign. You're going to see the landing pages, the ads, the targeting, the traffic source. And this is something you can take to all of the mainstream traffic sources and run compliantly and scale it well into the future, okay? All I'm asking for is for you to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's get into my computer so I can show you this right in front of your eyes. Okay, welcome to the inside of my computer. I am going to try and make this super fast for people. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty details of training on how to set up certain things because it is all explained in other training that is available for free at Powerhouse Affiliate. You can join free here. You can also check out our tools and resources on the website, building action plan, all of that stuff, okay? What I'm going to show you today is how to speed up your process of making money online without spending months or weeks or years or whatever trying to build content online to rank in Google. So let's use an example today of a campaign that I've set up with traffic that is making money literally the day I set it up. I'm going to show you how I even tackled one of the biggest niches online, which is the pets niche. So anyone that is looking to get into highly competitive niches, this is for you because you don't have to worry about spending years and years making content, okay? So let's just use an example. If I wanted to get into the pets niche right now and I go search dog training online, I nearly have about 2.1 billion results just for that one keyword, meaning if I was to try and rank a website on Google, it's probably going to take me a decade to get on the front page, and it's going to cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars in time and money to try and get content that is going to rank in Google. And that is why most people fail at affiliate marketing. No matter what niche you choose, it's going to take you literally a year or more to get results if you're just focusing on content marketing, okay? So you have to look at it from a different perspective, which is using paid advertisement. There's paid ads at Facebook, Google, Microsoft Ads, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, so many different places online that you can get traffic, and you can even get free traffic from these places by using their ad credits. In fact, you can get an ad credit at the platform I'm using today in this example. I've decided to tackle pets, so the first thing I need is an offer that I want to sell so that I can make money. In this case, I'm going to be using a CPA affiliate offer, which is also known as cost per action. If you don't know what CPA affiliate marketing is, then check out our free training at Powerhouse Affiliate. That'll explain everything you need to know. Today, I'm going to be using Maxbounty. On Maxbounty, they have hundreds of CPA affiliate offers. Here's inside my Maxbounty account I just set up about a month ago and found the offer that I wanted to use in this example. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. But basically, you can come in here and choose from hundreds of different offers to run, okay? And there's tons of different ways you can do it. Now, if I was to just pick an offer and start running traffic to it on major ad platforms, I would likely get banned instantly from Facebook, Google, Microsoft, all of these ad platforms out there. You cannot just come in here, get your affiliate link, and start running paid ads to that affiliate link, okay? You need to have your own website if you want to stand a chance at making this work for you. So if you don't know how to build a website, make sure you come over here and check out this website building action plan, or maybe you already know how to do it, then that's great. But one of the key things you need to know when you're buying paid ads is you need to have a real legit website around the content that you're looking to advertise. So the offer I've chosen to use today is called Just Answer Expert Consultation. And what this is a service that allows people to chat with experts. And you can see down by their landing pages here that they have multiple different options available that I can promote. I can promote a vet, I can promote doctors, finance experts, lawyers. I've chosen to go with vet because I'm in the pet niche. So I'm going to go with cats and dogs, and I'm going to do an ad that allows people to basically chat with a vet, and I'm going to set up a landing page so that I don't get banned on the traffic source. The first step is creating a landing page. I'm going to show you my landing page now and where you can get access to this landing page or other landing pages like it. So here's the landing page, and you can see here, chat with a real vet in minutes. I have a strong headline, basically straight to the point. Chat with a real vet. Chat now with a registered vet and get the answers you need. So I need to make sure my ad matches this, okay? So that when I'm sending traffic, they come here and right above the fold, there's 2 strong calls to action available so that, you know, they can chat with a dog vet or a cat vet. And when they click on this, they're going to go to the offer. And you can see here, it's going to bring up a chat dialogue where they can start chatting with an actual vet. If they end up signing up to this website for the answers they need, I make $24 US, which is a great opportunity here because you can see this month alone, my earnings per click on this offer is $3.36. Okay, this is an insane earnings per click, especially for this type of offer where they actually do have to buy something, but it's a very small fee that they have to pay. They have to pay $5 and I make $24, which is great about CPA affiliate offers, okay? We have a full course on CPA affiliate marketing for you if you want to check it out on our website, and the links are down in the description. But anyway, this is just the example I'm using today. So how do I get this high of an earnings per click? Well, it all comes down to the ads, the traffic source, the targeting, and your landing page, making sure it's all congruent with the offer that you're pitching, okay? And this is the offer, so I need to match this offer on my landing page and in my ads so that in the end, the user goes from ad to offer and it's all congruent. And that is how you get super high earnings per click when you're running ads. And this is how you become profitable out of the gates, so that you don't have to spend years creating content online. You can do that later when you decide that you want to start expanding in your niche. Let's go now look at the ad I'm running. And this is the type of ad and campaign you can literally run on any ad platform because it is Whitehat. It is in the pets niche. You can run it on Google ads. You can run it on Facebook ads. But today we're running it on Microsoft search ads. Okay, and I have moved this behind the scenes to Google ads and Facebook ads myself, but today I'm showing you the Microsoft ads setup so you can see the ad, the call to action, and all of that stuff. So let's go there now without wasting time. Okay, so here we are inside Microsoft ads, also known as Bing ads. They have many different types of ads available, including search ads, so I can literally be on page 1 search results on day 1 just by setting up a search ad, which in this case I have done for certain keywords that I'm targeting. Okay, so in this case I set up my landing page and now I set up my ad to link to my landing page, which then links to the CPA affiliate offer. So in this case, let's have a look at the example ad. So if you're wondering how to set up Microsoft ads, we have a complete case study inside powerhouseaffiliate.com. You can see here a full case study on e-commerce offers, on how to run them, and exactly how to set up tracking, landing pages, everything you want, and just come to Powerhouse Affiliate and you can get access to that. So I'm not going to go into that right now, but some people watching this video already know how to do all that. So let's look at this example. So emergency vet is the keyword I've targeted. I've set up an ad. And let me show you that ad now. And you can see the best ad running right now is down here, and it says, talk to a real vet now. Easiest way to get answers. Ask an online vet unlimited health questions, get one-on-one help from a real vet, get immediate help, okay? That is the key here. Immediately, I need to talk to somebody. And it makes it really important to this person to see that, okay, there is an answer available. So I have to make sure that I'm catching people at the right time, and it comes down to marketing here. What are they searching for? Why do they need an answer right now? That is why the word emergency vet clearly is a winner because they are having an emergency right now with their pet. They need to talk to somebody immediately. You can see it has 9 conversions at a cost per action of $19.80 Canadian. Remember, these are Canadian figures in the spend, but I'm making $24 US, which is roughly $30 Canadian. So that is a very decent return on investment just for this one keyword and ad that goes to the landing page. So the key here is to find keywords that really relate to the offer you're pitching and make sure you offer people answers immediately to what they're searching for. And this works in pretty much any niche available online. If somebody's looking for weight loss information, they want the information now. Give it to them. That is why this video is showing you what you were searching for on YouTube earlier, where I'm not going to make you wait. I want to show you what you were here for, okay? So that is the key when you're setting up these types of ads. So let me just run you through what the user actually sees. They go to Bing.com and they search emergency vet. Then they see my ad, talk to a real vet now. They click on that ad, then they go to my landing page. Does your pet need help? Chat with a real vet now. So it's immediately, yes, my pet needs help. Boom, let's chat with a vet. They chat with a dog vet and they go to a page that looks like this. Immediately giving them what they are searching for. Okay, that is the key to success with these types of ads, and that is how you're going to build profitable campaigns online. Just make sure your website has all the legal pages, has good content, and you can increase from there once you start building profitable campaigns like this. Now, there's a whole bunch of other stuff to this. There's a bunch of stuff about targeting that I haven't covered. When it comes to targeting, a lot of the answers are already in the offer settings. You can see here that it converts on the sale of a consultation, but it also only accepts US traffic and in the United States, of course. And you can see that it basically tells you what to do. And you can also ask your affiliate manager some of the targeting options available, but you're gonna have to do your own keyword research for this type of campaign. But again, this type of campaign can then be brought over to Google. And if you don't know how to run Google ads, we do have a full-on Google ads training right here that also goes into depth on how affiliates and media buyers can run compliant campaigns on Google search ads. And you'll see more live examples of different campaigns being ran on Google as well as Facebook and other traffic platforms. So it's all white hat campaigns here. We're not talking about trying to beat the ad networks because those people that are running black hat eventually all move to white hat. And this is the future of affiliate marketing. You start with your paid ads campaigns, then you start building content later. Because if you start with content first, you're literally going to be spending years trying to make content and seeing little results. So you can come into these ad platforms and check them out, and you can also get ad coupons. If you have more questions about this video, you can post your comments below. I will answer them. There's also a full-on forum at Powerhouse Affiliate where there will be a full discussion around this particular campaign, where there will be a specific conversation around this campaign inside of our case studies and follow-alongs for more in-depth discussion on how we can make this campaign even bigger. Like I said, we've only spent $3,000 on this campaign and made roughly $4,500. The earnings per click is insane. We've tested multiple landing pages on this campaign using a tracker called CPV Lab Pro. You can see we have all of our landing pages tested here, and one of them really stood out here, okay? This landing page, the C2 test, had a 58% click-through rate, which is insane for a landing page click-through rate, and you can see the conversion rate is 13.1%. So if you want that template, head on over to Powerhouse Affiliate, grab that template and start using it, and you can actually replicate this campaign, or you can try these same theories on any other CPA affiliate offer. That is how you run CPA affiliate offers, white hat. And like I said, more details, just simply check out the links down in the description. There you have it. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the Powerhouse Affiliate YouTube channel and check out the website links below in the description for more information and more training just like this.